Hello, that's me as an atheist.
Iwasan makipag-argue sa taong makitid ang utak. Isipin mo, if you win against someone who's dumb. If you lose, parang mas malala yun, di ba? Kasi you lose to someone who's dumb. So, when confronted with this kind of situation, na may ka-argue ka na makitid ang utak, ask yourselves, do I need to convince this person that I am right? Tapos, do I need to agree with this person? If no, then just move on. You can always say, we don't need to agree on this topic. Or, let's just agree to disagree. Or, I can see it from your perspective. And then move on. Diba? You don't need to argue. You don't need to convince them. Lalo na kung makikita. Anong point nun? Diba? Wala. Sinayang mo lang energy mo, sinayang mo oras mo, sinayang mo yung brain cells mo. You can be doing something more productive instead.
Lamang ang may alam. Tama, di ba? Kaya ikaw, wag mo gawing bisyo. Bye!